If you've ever wanted to tweak a line of text or fix a typo on your WordPress site, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to walk you through a simple, step-by-step method for changing any text on your WordPress website, fast and confidently. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to replace words, sentences, or even whole paragraphs anywhere in your posts or pages, keeping your site fresh, accurate, and totally under your control. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you need access to your WordPress dashboard. Now, I know this can sound a bit intimidating if you're new, but don't worry, all you need are your website's login details. Just head to yoursite.com/wpadmin, pop in your username and password, and you'll land on the WordPress dashboard, which is basically your website's control center. Once you're in, take a look over at the menu running down the left side. Here you'll see Pages and Posts. These are where all your site's written content lives. If you want to change text on a specific permanent section, like your About page or Contact page, click on Pages and then All Pages. Or if you need to tweak something in a blog post, head to Posts and select All Posts. This shows you every page or post you've ever published, all neatly listed. Find the page or post where you want to update the text. You can usually spot it by its title, like Home, Our Story. Or maybe Top 5 Tips for Gardening. Hover your mouse over the title, and you'll see a few options appear. Click on Edit. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to load. Especially if you have lots of content, WordPress is just pulling up everything for you. Now we're inside the editor. Depending on your WordPress setup, you'll see either the Gutenberg block editor or the older classic editor. Both make changing text super easy. In Gutenberg, your content is split into blocks for each paragraph, image, or heading. Just click directly on the text block you want to change. Maybe you spotted a spelling mistake or want to update a product description. Simply highlight the words you want to modify. Delete them and type your new content. With the classic editor, everything's in one big content area, much like writing an email or using Microsoft Word. Click where you need to make the update, type your changes, and you're good to go. Take your time here, adjust formatting, fix links, or rephrase sentences for clarity. Remember, it's totally fine to experiment, because nothing updates on your actual website until you hit that Save button. And speaking of saving, this is a crucial step. Up in the top right corner, you'll see a button labeled Update or Publish. This is your key to making all your changes live for the world to see. Give it a click once you're satisfied. It might take a few seconds while it processes, so don't worry if the page spins for a moment. Once it's done, your changes are instantly reflected on your site. And that's really all there is to editing text manually in WordPress. Just log in, find your page or post, open the editor, make the updates, and hit Update. It's like editing a document. But every change helps your website stay engaging and professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or got stuck at any step, just drop me a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Be sure to subscribe for more easy WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy editing.